Ever wished you could just bam, instantly access all your favorite apps and files, no matter where you are? Like, imagine needing that crucial presentation on your laptop while you're on the bus, or wanting to quickly edit a photo from your desktop while grabbing a coffee. Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you there's a technology that's blurring the lines between your devices, letting you control them remotely almost like magic? I'm talking about Lightspeed. And the question we're tackling today is, can you use Lightspeed on your phone? Now, before we dive in, let's clarify what we mean by Lightspeed, because, let's be honest, the tech world loves to throw around buzzwords. In this context, we're not talking about some futuristic teleportation device or a speed-of-light internet connection. We're talking about remote desktop software. Think of it as a bridge between your phone and your other devices, like your computer or tablet. It lets you see and control those devices from your phone, as if you were sitting right in front of them. Pretty cool, huh? So, can you use this kind of Lightspeed, this remote desktop magic, on your phone? The short answer is a resounding yes. But like most things in the tech world, there's a bit more to the story. It's not as simple as just downloading an app and suddenly becoming a remote control wizard. There are different types of remote desktop software, each with its own strengths and weaknesses, and some are definitely better suited for mobile use than others. Let's break down the different approaches. First, you have the traditional remote desktop applications. These are the workhorses of remote access, often used by IT professionals to manage servers or by individuals to access their work computers from home. Many of these applications have mobile versions, allowing you to control your desktop from your phone. Think of apps like TeamViewer, AnyDesk, Chrome Remote Desktop, and Microsoft Remote Desktop. These are all solid options, but they can sometimes be a bit clunky on a smaller screen. Navigating complex menus and tiny icons on your phone can be a challenge. Then you have the cloud-based remote access solutions. These platforms often focus on file sharing and collaboration, but they also include remote desktop functionality. They tend to be more streamlined and user-friendly, especially on mobile devices. Examples include Splashtop and Jump Desktop. These platforms often prioritize speed and ease of use, making them a good choice for accessing files and applications on the go. And finally, we have the device-specific solutions. If you're deeply entrenched in a particular ecosystem like Apple or Microsoft, you might already have access to built-in remote desktop features. For example, Apple's Sidecar, though more focused on using an iPad as a second screen, and similar functionalities within Windows allow for some level of remote control within their respective ecosystems. These solutions often offer tight integration and a seamless experience, but they might be limited to devices within that ecosystem. So, which option is right for you? Well, it depends on your needs. If you need to access complex applications or perform intensive tasks remotely, a traditional remote desktop application might be the best choice. If you primarily need to access files and do some light editing, a cloud-based solution could be a better fit. And if you're already invested in a specific ecosystem, exploring the built-in options is definitely worth it. Now, let's talk about the practical side of using remote desktop on your phone. What's the experience actually like? Well, it's surprisingly good, especially with the advancements in mobile technology. Modern smartphones have powerful processors and high-resolution screens, making them capable of handling remote desktop tasks with ease. The touch interfaces can be a bit tricky at first, especially when trying to click on small icons or navigate complex menus. But most remote desktop apps offer features like pinch to zoom and virtual keyboards to make things easier. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need a stable internet connection on both your phone and the device you're trying to access. A slow or unreliable connection can lead to lag and frustration. Imagine trying to edit a video with a choppy connection, not fun. Second, battery life can be a concern. Running a remote desktop session can be quite power-intensive, so be prepared to see your battery drain faster than usual. Third, security is paramount. Make sure you're using a reputable remote desktop application with strong encryption to protect your data. You don't want anyone snooping in on your remote sessions. Beyond the technical considerations, let's talk about the real-world applications of using Lightspeed or remote desktop on your phone. The possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to access your work computer from your phone while you're commuting, allowing you to get a head start on your day. Or picture yourself on vacation, needing to access a file on your home computer. With Remote Desktop, you can do it all from your phone. It's like having your entire digital world in your pocket. You could be a student needing to access files stored on the university server, or a designer wanting to show a client a preview of their work without lugging around a heavy laptop, or even a gamer wanting to quickly check on the progress of a download on their home PC. The convenience and flexibility offered by Remote Desktop on your phone are truly remarkable. Now, some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it complicated to set up? The answer is, it depends. Some remote desktop applications are incredibly easy to set up, requiring only a few clicks. Others might involve a bit more configuration, especially if you're dealing with firewalls or network settings. But most reputable remote desktop providers offer detailed instructions and helpful support resources to guide you through the process. So, to recap, can you use Lightspeed on your phone? Absolutely. With the wide range of remote desktop applications and cloud-based solutions available, accessing your devices from your phone has never been easier. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants the convenience of having their digital world at their fingertips, Remote Desktop on your phone is a game changer. It empowers you to be productive, connected, and in control, no matter where you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.